Let us make a small review of Pilot Metropolitan Fountain Pen. In 1915, Roushiku Namiki, a professor from Tokyo National College in Japan, left his job to find a small factory near Tokyo to produce gold nib pens. This factory is the famous Pilot company. At first it was named as Namiki, but now it is called Pilot Company. It was renamed. In 2018, I heard the company celebrated its 100th anniversary. Now let us look at the pen. This is Pilot Metropolitan Crocodile. It cost me 1134. Now let us have a look. Here it is written Pilot Japan. Focus here. Pilot Japan. Here it is written as Pilot, and this side it is written the country of origin, that is Japan. Wait a bit. Yeah, it is written as Japan, this side. This side. Okay. This pen is almost cigar shape. It is round this side, round this side. The pen is easy to hold. If we open the clip, the feed, you see what a beautiful feed it has. The nib. Now let's talk about the nib. It's a medium nib. The Japanese medium is almost like the medium fine nib of the Western fine nib is equal to the Japanese medium nib. Now what it is written in the nib, let's see. It's written as Pilot, then M, then Japan. So much signing, you can see, so much signing, very glossy pen. This is the crocodile design. You can see if you search in any forum, or you can see the crocodile's body has this type of scales. So it is a crocodile design pen. The pen is black full. The grip section is very easy to hold. You can easily hold and write. And now let's talk about the cap. The cap is very durable, we can see. It's very hard clip, very durable cap. Its pen is made of brass. It posts in the back and easy to write. And close my also. Now let us give some writing sample. I have used it, the Pilot ink, Pilot blue. You can see very smooth. Very smooth, very weight also. You can see like this. Oh, it's dried off. Wait. See how much weight it is. See, very weight, and most of all it is ideal for using as a student. If you are a student, then you must buy it. See, it's very nice, very smooth. Very smooth. Now, one thing I must say that this pen comes with converter. Let's see. See, this is a bladder type converter. I can't press it, but if you press, this side will be fixed and this side will be pressed and the ink will be squeezed. This is a bladder type converter. One drawback is that you can't see how much ink it can, means till where it is filled or when it will come, and you cannot see. So it's a brass. So it's write very smooth, no doubt. Now let us compare it with little cheap price pens. I have that is Parker Frontier. This pen height Metropolitan is little bit taller than the pen. Now let's write with it. A bit scratchy. Frontier a bit scratchy, but Pilot Metropolitan very smooth. See, very smooth. Pilot Metropolitan very smooth, no doubt.